Hey everyone, is Microsoft Edge not opening on your computer? This problem can happen for several reasons, including temporary software glitches, corrupted browser files, or outdated system components. In this full guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix Microsoft Edge not opening in 2026. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. Yeah, a simple restart can often resolve temporary issues that prevent Microsoft Edge from launching properly. If Microsoft Edge still won't open, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Look for any Microsoft Edge processes that may still be running, then select them and click End Task. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Find Microsoft Edge, open its options, and choose Repair if that option is available. Next, check for Windows updates. Yeah, installing the latest updates can fix compatibility problems and improve browser stability. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the System File Checker. This built-in Windows tool can detect and repair corrupted system files that may be preventing Edge from opening. If none of the previous steps work, consider resetting your browser settings or reinstalling Microsoft Edge using Microsoft's official installer. Yeah, reinstalling can replace damaged browser files while restoring normal functionality. For the best experience, keep Windows and Microsoft Edge updated. Avoid installing untrusted browser extensions, regularly scan your computer for malware, and restart your PC after major updates. These simple maintenance steps can help prevent browser issues in the future, and that's how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening in 2026. Whether the issue is caused by temporary glitches, damaged files, or outdated software, these troubleshooting steps can help get your browser working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.